Morning students, this is your agriculture class. Today we will learn about agriculture and its different branches. As we know that agriculture is the prime sector of our nation and near about two-thirds of our nation's population dependent on agriculture. Agriculture sector is known as backbone of our nation's economy as it provides 55 to 60% job opportunity and it also contribute near about 16 to 18% in our nation's GDP. The word agriculture is derived from two Latin words, ager or agri means soil and cultura means cultivation. So agriculture is the cultivation of soil or land to grow crops. The agriculture is referred as the science and art of cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock. It is also called farming. So agriculture is an applied science that apply different basic science rules to grow crops, and it is also as an art because it involves different kind of human skills to grow crops. Agriculture is a broad term encompassing all aspects of crop production, horticulture, livestock farming, forestry, etc. In agriculture, we learn about crop production. In this, we grow different kinds of crops in different season. In horticulture, we study about different vegetable crops, fruit crops, ornamental crops, flower crops, etc. And in livestock farming, we learn about different kinds of animals like cows, buffaloes, pigs, poultry farm, etc. And in forestry, we study about different kind of perennial trees which provides raw material to agricultural based industries. Agriculture can be expanded as activity on the ground for raising intended crops for uplifting livelihood through the use of renewable energies. So agriculture is an activity on the ground for raising crops intended to uplifting livelihood through the use of renewable energies. Agriculture has three main spheres, which geoponic means cultivation in the earth or soil, aeroponics means cultivation in air, and hydroponics means cultivation in water. Agriculture is the branch of science encompassing all the applied aspects of basic sciences. The applied aspects of agriculture science consists of study of field crops and their management, including soil management. So in applied science, we study about field crops, which we grow in different seasons, and their management means how we can manage them and how we can control the insects, pests affecting our crop, and including soil management means soil is the primary source which provides essential plant nutrients for their better growth. Agriculture is the integration of different branches in which first is crop production. This branch deals with the production of various crops which includes food crops, fiber crops, sugar crops, oilseed crops, etc. It includes different subjects: agronomy, soil science, entomology, pathology, and microbiology. The aim of this branch is to have better food production and how to control the diseases in the field crops so that we can grow our crop easily and can get maximum production. In horticulture, in this branch of agriculture, we study about flowers, fruits, vegetable, ornamental plants, spices, condiments, and beverages. Third one is agriculture engineering. This branch deals with farm machinery used for field preparation, interculture operations, harvesting, and post-harvest processing, including soil and water conservation. So in agriculture engineering, we study about different kinds of machineries and tools which are used in different kinds of agriculture operations. Forestry. It deals with production of large-scale cultivation of perennial trees for supplying wood, timber, rubber, etc. and also raw material for industries. Next one is animal husbandry. This branch deals with animal production like buffalo, cow, goat, sheep, poultry, piggery, etc. in order to provide food for human and to provide power and manure for crops. Next one is fishery science. This branch deals with pisciculture, means rearing and managing fishes, or we can say that it deals with practice of breeding and rearing fishes including marine and inland fishes, shrimps, prawns, etc. in order to provide food, feed and manure. And the last one is home science. This branch deals with application and utilization of agricultural produce in a better manner in order to provide nutritional security including value addition for food preparation. So these are the different branches of agriculture. Broadly in practice, agriculture is grouped into four major categories. The first category is crop improvement. This includes two subjects, plant breeding and genetics and biotechnology. The next category is crop management. This includes agronomy, soil science and agricultural chemistry, seed technology, agricultural microbiology, crop physiology, agricultural engineering, environmental science and agricultural meteorology. The third category is crop protection. This includes three subjects which agricultural entomology, plant pathology and nematology. And the last category is social sciences. This includes two subjects, agricultural extension and agricultural economics. In next class we will learn about these different subjects and importance of agriculture and history of agriculture in India. Thanks.